Starting a digital product business. A beginner's guide. In today's digital age, creating and selling digital products can be a lucrative business venture. With the right guidance, anyone can get started. In this guide, we'll walk you through a simple system to launch a digital product business, even if you're new to the industry. Step 1. Identify your niche. Identifying your niche is the foundation of your digital product business. A niche is a specific area of interest or expertise that you'll focus on. To choose a profitable niche, consider the following factors. A passion. Create a product that resonates with your passions. When you're enthusiastic about a topic, you'll create a higher quality product and enjoy the process. A expertise. Leverage your skills and knowledge. Creating a product in an area you're familiar with reduces research time and ensures authority. A demand. Validate that people need solutions in your chosen niche. Use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, or social media to gauge interest. To further refine your niche, ask yourself, what problems do people face in this niche? What are their pain points? What solutions can you offer? A well-defined niche helps you create targeted products, attract a specific audience, and stand out in a crowded market. Step 2. Research popular digital products. Researching popular digital products in your niche helps you understand what works and what doesn't. Analyze successful products considering ebooks, in-depth guides or books on specific topics. Look at bestseller lists on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Apple Books. Courses, video or text-based tutorials teaching skills or knowledge. Explore popular course platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. A software, tools, or applications solving specific problems. Investigate top-rated software in your niche. Templates, pre-designed documents or assets for specific uses. Look at popular template marketplaces like Creative Market or Template.net. When researching, ask yourself, what topics are covered in these products? What formats are most popular, e.g. video, text, audio? What pricing strategies are used? What marketing tactics are employed? This research helps you understand customer needs, identify gaps in the market, and develop a unique selling proposition, USP, for your product. Step 3. Validate your idea. Validating your idea ensures there's demand for your digital product. Use online tools to gauge interest and gather feedback. A Google Trends. Analyze search volume and trends related to your niche. A social media. Engage with potential customers on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Share content, ask questions, and observe responses. Online communities. Participate in forums related to your niche. Share your expertise and gather feedback on your ideas. Validation helps you assess the size of your potential audience. Refine your product idea based on feedback. Identify potential marketing channels. Don't be afraid to pivot or adjust your idea based on the feedback you receive. Step 4. Create your digital product. Creating a high-quality digital product requires dedication and attention to detail. Consider the following. Quality content. Ensure your product provides value, is well-researched and engaging. Design and user experience. Make your product visually appealing and user-friendly. Invest in professional design and formatting. A uniqueness. Differentiate your product from existing solutions. Add unique perspectives, insights, or approaches. When creating your product, ask yourself, what problem does my product solve? What value does it offer? How is it different from existing solutions? Invest time and effort into crafting a top-notch digital product that meets the needs of your target audience. Step 5. Set up your sales funnel. A sales funnel is a system guiding customers through the buying process. You'll need a landing page, a dedicated page promoting your product. Use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or ClickFunnels. A payment gateway, a secure way to process transactions. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, or Gumroad. A delivery system, a method to distribute your product. Use email marketing tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit. A security. Protect your digital products from unauthorized access and piracy. A well-designed sales funnel. Builds trust with potential customers. Clearly communicates your product's value. Streamlines the buying process. Step 6. Market and promote your product. Effective marketing and promotion are crucial to reaching potential customers. Leverage various channels. A content marketing. Create valuable content showcasing your expertise. Use blog posts, videos, or podcasts. A social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram to reach your audience. A email marketing. Build an email list and send targeted campaigns. When marketing, consider a targeting. Reach the right audience with the right message. Consistency. Regularly produce content and engage with your audience. A measurement. Track your results and adjust your strategy accordingly. Step 7. Provide excellent customer support. Customer satisfaction is key to the success of your digital product business. Support channels. Email support. Provide prompt and helpful responses to customer inquiries via email. Live chat. Implement live chat support on your website for real-time assistance. B. After-sales service. Follow-up. Send follow-up emails to ensure customer satisfaction and gather feedback. Updates and improvements. Regularly update your product based on customer feedback and market trends. Resources that can help you in starting and growing your digital product business. Online courses. Udemy. A popular platform offering courses on various topics, including digital marketing, entrepreneurship, and skill development. A Teachable. A platform focused on courses related to entrepreneurship, marketing, and creative skills. A Skillshare. A platform offering courses and workshops on creative topics like design, writing, and photography. These courses can help you develop skills in areas like marketing, product creation, and entrepreneurship. Digital product marketplaces. A Gumroad. A platform for selling digital products, including ebooks, courses, and software. A Selfie. A platform for creating an online store and selling digital products. A Etsy. A marketplace for selling digital products related to art, design, and creativity. These marketplaces can streamline the sales and distribution process for your digital products. Marketing tools. A Canva. A graphic design tool for creating visual content like social media graphics, ebooks, and websites. A MailChimp. An email marketing tool for building and managing your email list. A Hootsuite. A social media management tool for scheduling and publishing content. A Google Analytics. A tool for tracking website traffic, engagement, and conversion rates. These tools can help you create and distribute content, manage your online presence, and measure the performance of your marketing efforts. Productivity and organization tools. A Trello. A project management tool for organizing tasks and workflows. A Evernote. A note-taking tool for capturing ideas and organizing research. A Calendly. A scheduling tool for managing meetings and appointments. These tools can help you stay organized, focused, and productive as you work on your digital product business. Communities and forums. A Reddit. A platform with various communities related to entrepreneurship, marketing, and digital products. A Quora. A question and answer platform for seeking advice and insights from experts. A Facebook groups. Groups focused on specific topics, like digital marketing or entrepreneurship. These communities can provide valuable support, feedback, and connections with like-minded individuals. Books and blogs. The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. A book on entrepreneurship and product development. Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. A book on marketing and persuasion. The Smart Passive Income blog. A blog focused on online business and passive income. The Moz blog. A blog focused on digital marketing and SEO. These resources can provide valuable insights, strategies, and inspiration for your digital product business. Conclusion. Starting a digital product business can be a thrilling venture, offering flexibility, scalability, and potential for significant income. However, it requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you've taken the first crucial steps towards building a successful digital product business. Remember to celebrate your progress. Best of luck on your digital product journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. Ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and share this video with your friends to spread the word. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.